Hello guys, and welcome to my first video YouTube channel. My name is William McCain, and today I'm going to talk about mathematics, especially how to find the value of sine, cosine and tangent without using calculator. So first of all, the first thing to do is to identify those angles between 0 and pi over 2. So between 0 and pi over 2, we have the angle 0, pi over 6, which is 30 degrees, pi over 4, which is 45 degrees, pi over 3, which is 60 degrees, and pi over 2, which is 90 degrees. Then you have to place this angle from the smallest to the greatest angle in this first quadrant. So I will put 0, pi over 6, pi over 4, pi over 3, and pi over 2. So now that you put your angle from the lowest to the greatest, you have to complete the first line of sine, which is very important. And to complete the line of sine, you have to complete it with positive interject starting at 0. So I will put 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then you can put the square root on each number. I will put with the green color so you can make a difference. Square root on each number. After putting the square root of each number on each number, you have to divide each number by 2. I use the blue color to make a difference. I divide each number by 2, like you see. Then right now we just have to apply the simple algebra, which we have to simplify each number. So let me use the green again. So square root of 0 is 0 over 2 is 0. Square root of 1 is equal 1 over 2 is 1 over 2. Square root of 2 is square root of 2 over 2 is square root of 2 over 2. Square root of 3 is square root of 2 of 3 over 2 is square root of 3 over 2. Square root of 4 is 2 over 2 is 1. So now that we complete the line of sine, which was a very important part of this table, you have to complete the part which is the line of cosine. And to complete the line of cosine, you have to take from the smallest angle to the greatest angle. You have to take the value of sine from the greatest angle to the smallest angle. That means what? The first value of the cosine will be the last value of the sine of the greatest angle. So the cosine of 0 will be the sine of pi over 2. So this one we give 1. This one will be this one. This one will be the same. This one will be this one. And the last one of cosine will be the first one of sine, which is 0. Then to complete the line of tangent, you just have to do the ratio of sine over cosine. So to make a ratio of sine over cosine, I have to just apply the basic algebra. 0 over 1 is 0. 1/2 divided by square root of 3 over 2 is 1 over square root of 3, which equal again to square root of 3 over 3. Square root of 2 over 2 divided by square root of this one is 2 over 2. Divided by square root of 2 over 2 is 1, because sine and cosine have the same value. Square root of 3 over 2 divided by 1/2 is square root of 3. And this one does not exist. And why? I will explain to you. Let's say we have a function f of theta. F of theta will equal to tangent theta. We also know that tangent theta also equal to sine theta over cosine theta. So to study this function, you have to make sure that f exists only if cosine of theta is different of 0. Which value of cosine is equal to 0? So it's cosine pi over 2. This implies that cosine theta is different from cosine pi over 2. This also implies that theta is different from pi over 2. It's why the value of tangent at pi when theta equal pi over 2 does not exist, because This one is a vertical asymptote of this function. Thank you guys for watching me, and I hope you will use this table to solve your trigonometry function. And I invite you to click the bell under my video for more video. Thank you and bye.